Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So today I want to show you how to bounce back and forth between operations really quick. So what we'll do here is I'll just open up one of our operations, and just to open it, all you have to do is double click on it. So now, instead of looking at this operation and, oh, well, maybe I need to look at an operation over here, there's no need to close out and open up this one down here. All you have to do is leave your operation open. If you want to go look at a different one, you can come over here, just double click it, and it's going to open up that window. Or you can bounce down farther and double click, and it will just open that window. So there's no need to actually have to close out of this window, and this will make things a little bit easier for you guys if you're kind of trying to look for a certain operation or whatnot to find in there. So just want to show you guys that for the KevCAM tip of the day today on how to switch back and forth between the operation windows as fast as possible. So thanks guys. We'll talk to you tomorrow with your KevCAM tip of the day. Bye-bye.